In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a task in ClickUp. If you've ever needed a clear place to capture context, decisions, or instructions right where the work happens, the description field in a ClickUp task is the perfect home for your notes. I'll walk you through getting to the right place and adding those notes so your team stays aligned and nothing falls through the cracks. Start by heading to ClickUp. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in your workspace, you'll land on your usual home or the last area you visited. The goal here is simply to get into the part of ClickUp where your project lives, so you can access the task you want to document. Next, choose the space that contains your work. A space is the top-level container for a department, client, or project area. You'll find your spaces listed in the sidebar. Click the one that matches the team or project you're working on. This keeps everything organized so the task and its notes are visible to the right people. From there, head to List View. You'll see your available views along the top of the page. Select List to get that clean, spreadsheet-style layout. List View makes it easy to scan tasks, see key details at a glance, and quickly open the one you want without bouncing around different screens. Now open the task you're working on. In the task window, look for the area labeled Description. If you haven't added anything yet, you'll see an option to add a description. Click that, and this becomes your notes area. Type your notes just like you would in a document. You'll have a formatting toolbar with options like bold, italics, headings, checklists, and bullet points, so you can structure information for readability. Consider starting with a brief summary, then add details such as requirements, links to relevant files, and any decisions or next steps. Keep paragraphs short and use headings to break up long sections so teammates can quickly scan. If you're collaborating, write with clarity in mind. State the why, the what, and any constraints up front. ClickUp autosaves as you type, so you won't lose your work. When you're done, simply close the task window. Your notes will stay attached to the task for anyone with access to view. That's it. By opening ClickUp, choosing the right space, switching to List View, and adding your details in the task description, you've created a reliable, centralized note that keeps everyone focused and informed exactly where the work happens.